Okay, welcome the Rock Channel.
In case of emergency evacuation,
Yung
follow the lights
sinasakyan
that will lead
naming
you to the exits. For
aeroplano
further
and
information, please refer to the passenger briefing card found
umuusad
in
na
your seat
papunta ng
pocket.
runway. Uy, Philippine Airlines.
This aircraft is equipped with
Ano
emergency
itong
exit signs
5G?
found in the cabin.
Anong
The
flight
location
number?
of the nearest
Flight
exit
number?
may be behind you. Each cabin
Itong
door
flight
is
number,
equipped
ano to?
with a slide
5?
raft. In any eventuality,
Yun lang.
guests
Pares pala
must
tayo
remove
ulit
their
eh.
bags and immediately proceed
Alam
to
ah.
the
Ito
usable
na lang.
exits. There are also fire extinguishers in the cabin. Operation of the device is indicated on the equipment itself. We
Yeah.
are about to take off. Straighten up your seats.
Titingnan mo ang
Fasten
flight number.
seatbelts securely. Keep window shades open and tray tables stowed. Voice communication with the use of mobile phones is prohibited while cabin doors are closed.
Ready for take-off na.
Use of vape, e-cigarette, and all smoking or vapor inhaling and emitting
Ayan,
devices
5G.
is prohibited
Like
by
ano,
Philippines
5G anyway.
aviation regulations.
Pero ano,
Please stop using your gadget if the battery becomes
5G.
excessively warm. This refers to all gadgets powered by lithium battery or charger.
hindi makita. Ayun. Ayan po siya. Okay. Ready for take-off. Ayan. Ay, natakpan. Yun po. Yun ang flight number namin. Yan. Okay.
Sir, pasto na lang po yun.
Okay, start na ang engine. Starting.
Sir, higa po natin yung dalawa nating bag. Mahiga po ang yung seat katulad po ng sa kanya. Higa po natin.
Okay, ma'am.
Higa natin, sir, yung bag po natin. Pag ganito, sir, katulad sa kanya.
Okay.
Harap ito lang. Yaagit ko.
Tapos higa po sa ilalim. Tulak natin, sir. Sige, sir. Higa. Yan. Tulak po. Yan. Sir,
Okay.
higa po natin, tulak.
Alright. May ibang airplane. Ano kay mga airplane na yan? Titingnan na nga natin. Tingnan ko ba telescope yun, no? Yung telescope yun. Pura tayo. Hindi, no? Okay. Hanggang dito na lang. Thank you for watching. Luzon, Mindanao. Bye.